Hey guys, today I'm going to be building my new bike. It's going to be a 49cc 4-stroke friction drive kit. And put all this on this little Diamondback BMX bike. I don't know what it's called, but we're going to get started. First thing I'm going to do is put these on. These go right here for the engine, as well as the U-bracket, which goes right there. Now that brackets are mounted, next thing we're going to do, we're taking this box and the motor and putting it together. Alright, engine mounting time. Alright, next thing is gas tank, which will go here, obviously, and for this, it comes with fuel line and fuel valve. I do recommend getting a filter. It does not come with one, but with these tanks, sometimes it ends up getting like rust and just random debris, so this will save your carburetor one day. Are you recording? You are recording. Alright, next thing we gotta do is throttle and kill switch, and I think we're basically done. For the kill switch, there's a little nub on here that goes into the handlebars, and you have to drill a hole right there, so the nub will go in there and stick, so you don't over tighten these bolts, because I mean it is after all just plastic, so it could strip easily. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, everything's basically put together. All I have to do is just wire everything up and zip tie it down. But that's boring, so I don't think you want to see that. And I'll skip right to it running. Alright, as you can see, the bike is complete. We got the engine on, we got everything on. So a couple things that I suggest getting for this bike is, one, obviously, speedometer. Obviously, you want that. Oh, for these kind of kits, you want a smoother tire. Nice, flat, slick, because otherwise, this wheel, if you have a rough tire like how I have in the front, it'll just rip it off and you'll just have a flat tire in no time. And since this was a BMX bike, it didn't come with a kickstand, so that's a must. And I got some pegs for my front feet, because it is, after all, a small bike, so stretching out be a lot better. And then I got a fender just because it looks cool. So yeah, and you always want to check your bolts every here and there, because after time the vibration from the motor can sometimes loosen them. So yeah. Alright, let's get this thing started.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Alright, first test with it. Let's see how she goes. Feel it on. Second pull.